So I used to really like to make my bed in the mornings, but with Pepper, she likes to be up there, as you probably saw in the video. So I kind of have been out of that habit for a while, and I don't really care. Pick your battles, right? This morning, it's kind of a nice work day because I don't think I'll end up with any meetings. Because a lot of my colleagues that I work most closely with are at a conference right now. Well, they're actually traveling back today, so they're like in the air. So it should be like a good day to catch up on things and yeah, like get myself organized for the rest of the week. Yeah, so I'll just keep you posted on the day. Okay, I'm already like distracted because I had to tell Kyle that I just opened Instagram and noticed that I had a new follower. And it's Bob Weiss, who was the head of Walt Disney Imagineering for like a long time. And I'm like, I almost feel like it was a mistake. Like he probably didn't mean to follow me. He only follows like 230 accounts or something like that. What's your face for that? I don't think the vlog has ever seen your office.
I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing.
This is Kyle's studio space. He has weird art. Pepper?
To say the least.
Okay, I'm gonna go get coffee. You made coffee? One thing I really appreciate, since my company is fairly global, mostly in the US and like Europe, but a lot of my team that I work with are on the West Coast, so we're on like different time zones is what I'm trying to say. But I appreciate that they prioritize like asynchronous work, so it's not just like, let's put a meeting on the calendar for that. Like they encourage, using like tools so that you can work together, not at the same time. So I just sent off I just updated the OneNote I have with my boss with like some questions that I need to go over in lieu of having like a one-on-one this week, since it's kind of like a truncated week because of their conference. Yeah, so I just did that, and I'm catching up on some other emails, people I owe responses, and I just made a quick breakfast sandwich. It's not very appetizing looking, but it's the Trader Joe's gluten-free bread, and I just did 1 egg and some cheddar. So I'm going to eat my breakfast and keep plugging away on emails. While our super is here looking at the oven, I have Pepper locked in the room with me. She's like okay with people. She's not like aggressive or anything, but she's just annoying. So it's easier to just have her in here. The loudest people in the world drive down our street. Anyways, so I'm gonna just take a little bit of a break from my desk and put away these clothes. Yesterday I put away all our clean laundry, but all my hanging stuff I just put on that chair, so I need to hang those up. So as far as content creation today, my main focuses were to get my like weekly YouTube uploaded, which I actually did last night because I finished the editing, so I just went ahead and uploaded it. So that's done, which is nice. I already did my like daily to-do list that I put on my Instagram story. And then my other content I'm going to focus on today is a new carousel post on my Instagram. And this is still with the idea of my 7-year anniversary, and it's kind of based on the video that I uploaded to YouTube, which was 7 lessons I've learned over 7 years of content creation. So I'm going to do like a carousel post of 7 only the loudest people are driving down my street today. The carousel post each slide will be like highlight a different one of those lessons that I talk about in the YouTube video. The idea is still to drive folks to YouTube, which if you're seeing this, you're here. So thanks for being here. Yeah, so I'm not really creating anything today as far as like taking any new pictures or like recording anything. Well, other than this entire vlog. But I do need to edit those photos a little bit for that Instagram post. So I'll probably do that over my lunch break. Yeah, so I'll check back in with you then. I'm just kind of getting a lot done this morning for work, which is nice. Yeah, so see you later. So I didn't vlog it, but I had my lunch. Kyle went and got us bagels, and so I had a gluten-free bagel from this place around the corner from us, and I've just been working since then. I still need to finish editing my pictures that are going to be in my carousel post today. So as soon as I get to another place where I can take a break from work, I am going to do that. I just missed it, but Pepper was being so cute. I had put all those clothes away, but I didn't put that sweater away. It was on the windowsill, and she's just been resting. She did it again. She's been sitting like this, looking out the window with her head resting on it, and it's so, so cute. I'm laying down for a little bit, and this is how Pepper has decided to relax next to me. She's chewing her toy above my head. Peppy. Oh no. Okay, why? No, oh no. Where are you going? This is fine. Hey, Pep. Hi, booby. I'm about to head out to meet my friend for dinner. So I just did this, this I got in Walt Disney World. It's like this rugby style, kind of 90s looking long sleeved polo and jeans and my Crocs, Bagoo. And I redid freshened up my makeup a little bit and just put my hair up and put my bangs back because I was tired of them being in my face. And I'm actually going to take these on the way walking to the restaurant because there's a little like neighborhood thing. These are donations, and there's like a little neighborhood thing where you can put things and people can take them if they want them. So I'm going to take those. Just finished my nighttime skincare routine, and I'm like kind of breaking out right now, which is kind of strange for me to have like this many like blemishy spots at once. But so I put on some of these little like zit sticker things just to help overnight. But dinner was really nice. Of course, I didn't really vlog that, as you saw. And so now before I go to sleep, I'm just doing this like to-do list template that I actually had this as a notepad that I had purchased from balancebound.co. So I had like the physical notepad, but when I was down to like the last piece of paper, I just like scanned it in, and now I've been using this template, make it usually the night before as like my daily to-do list, but I like that it has a section for work, self, others, home, and then like time blocks starting at 6 a.m., which I never wake up that early unless I absolutely have to, or if I'm at Disney. um, but I do wish I went past 8 p.m. because I'm a nighttime person. Like, I like to get a lot done in the evenings, but whatever. Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and fill this in for tomorrow and kind of like plan out my day. And then I'll probably read for a little bit before I go to sleep. Right now I'm reading this book called The Other March Sisters, and it's basically like Little Women fan fiction. So these three authors each wrote a section of this book in the voice of, or not necessarily in the voice, but with stories about each of the other three March sisters from Little Women. So I'm in the first section, which is Amy, and so far it's concurrent with what's taking place in the same time period as in Little Women. It's not like before or after. Yeah, so it's kind of a fun, easy read. Okay, I just finished my like to-do list for tomorrow. So I am going to read for a little bit and I'm calling it a night here. So thank you very much for watching this video. These types of vlogs are fun to me. I don't know if they're fun to watch, but they're fun for me to watch when I watch other people's daily vlogs. So I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And I'd be so appreciative if you should decide to subscribe. And I'll see you real soon.